Hi, my lovely Aquarians. Welcome back to Tarot Talks. I hope you guys are doing good and are safe with your family and loved ones. So, Aquarians, today we are going to do the collective reading for your sign for the month of February 2022. It's an Aquarian season going on, right? Let me wish you guys a very happy birthday, guys. May this year be full of peace, bliss, abundance, and lots of good health. Talking of which, I have been really very unwell past couple of days, and please bear with me for the low energy. And I was not even sure I will be able to do the readings for February, but I thought let me give it a shot and pull some couple of quick messages for each sign. So anyway, guys, like always, this is going to be a collective reading, so it might not resonate with all. So just take what resonates and leave the rest, okay? You would also want to check other signs in your birth chart for a better and clear understanding. So Aquarians, I was not picking up on any energies, any strong energies while pre-shuffling. One thing I would want to mention is that I started feeling little pain in my left shoulder and left arm, okay. I anyway am having a lot of weakness, so I was struggling shuffling the cards. I don't know if it's my personal energy or if any of you guys are having issues with some sort of body ache, especially the shoulder part, right arm part. Make sure you are taking ample care, you are following ergonomics. If you are working continuously in front of screen, do your stretches and stay healthy, guys. Another thing I was getting was that there is a lot of mental clutter going on, okay. I kept on drifting while meditating and shuffling for you guys. So there's a lot of like too many thoughts going on in my mind right now, okay, and I was not able to actually focus, okay. And interestingly, your overall energy has shown up as Seven of Raphael, which is Seven of Cups in conventional tarot, okay. We'll talk about that in a bit. So guys, yeah, with that, let's get started and see what messages we have for you guys for this month. Who is this? King of Swords. Yeah, great. Okay. Interesting, guys. Oh God. Well, for some of you guys, I see new beginnings straight away. More so, I feel that there are some new opportunities coming your way in terms of career, okay. Your overall energy is Eight of Swords, Death card, Empress, Ten of Pentacles, Magician. Oh my goodness. Six of Cups. Guys, you are missing someone, or maybe you're dwelling too much in the past is what I'm seeing, okay. Because I had seen this card while shuffling also, okay. So yes, some major missing going on over here, okay. I also feel that some of you guys are stuck in some childhood memories or past, remembering the old days, gone days gone by, okay. That kind of energy I'm getting over here. Yeah. So guys, let's get started. We are going to need some of the clarifiers for sure. Yeah, so the overall energy, like I said, has shown up as Seven of Raphael, which is Seven of Cups in conventional tarot. I'll read it to you. Time to make a decision. Be clear on what you want and take action. A need for detoxification. So guys, Seven of Cups basically talks about being a little confused, okay. It's like you have multiple options and you're not able to which to choose, what to choose from it, okay. Or you're not able to arrive to certain decision, okay. So that's the kind of energy has shown up as your overall energy, okay. So try to declutter, try to narrow down your choices, okay. I feel that this King of Swords is related to the Seven of Raphael. It is talking about bringing clarity into the situation, okay. Try to, if there are multiple people involved, try to communicate clearly, guys. I would definitely want to clarify the King of Swords for some of you guys. What is the King of Swords doing over here? Please clarify the King of Swords. The Hierophant, okay. The King of Swords is clarified by the Hierophant, guys. I feel that Yes, for some of you guys, there could be some I feel some of you guys are dealing with some sort of trust issues over here. Okay, there is moon card as well over here, and there is some sort of trust that is lacking between between an interaction. Make sure that you guys talk it out. Okay, have clear communication with the parties involved. Okay, whoever it could be at a professional level or at personal level. Okay guys, but I feel that there is some sort of miscommunication happening here, Aquas, and there is some ironing that is needed over here. Okay, there are some things to be clarified over here between two parties is what I'm clearly seeing. This could be related between two friends, or two partners. Okay, or could be at professional level as well, but definitely there are some misunderstandings happening over here, and those need to be clarified is what I'm seeing over here very clearly. For some of you guys, I see a new opportunity coming your way in terms of career. Okay, now this is something which is going to just pop in out of the blue. Okay, and you are not going to expect this, but when you get this opportunity, it's going to be a very fulfilling one. It's going to bring in a lot of money. Okay, lot of abundance. Okay, there is 10 of Pentacles as well. I feel that some of you guys might receive money through unexpected sources as well, guys. Like for example, if you had made some investment couple of years ago, and you might have just forgotten and it's maturing now. Okay, so you'll get that lump sum money, but through some source or the other, you're going to get money, and the sum is going to be really huge. I feel some of you guys might also have something related to property done over here. Okay, I feel that there is some of you might buy a new property or end up selling your property at a good price, a good deal. Okay, something related to property is going to bring you a lot of money is what I'm seeing over here. Talking about career, yes, whatever opportunity you're going to get, it's going to bring a lot of money, guys. Some of you guys might also get promoted. Okay, there could be a communication related to someone's promotion. You might be stepping up in your role. Okay, that could also lead to rise in your paycheck. Okay, that's the kind of energy I'm getting, guys, very strongly. Yes, for some of you guys, there could be a there could be a celebration. Okay, some sort of celebration. Maybe some of you guys might be getting married. Okay, or attending a wedding or some sort of social event. Okay, I also feel that for some of you guys, there's going to be a housewarming ceremony that you guys are going to attend, or it could be you who's giving a housewarming party to your folks. Okay, that is the kind of energy I'm getting very strongly. Let's clarify the moon. Okay, why the moon over here? Yeah, the world in the reverse and the chariot. Okay, that's interesting, guys. Yeah, Four of Pentacles had also shown up while shuffling for you guys. I feel that some of you guys are feeling stuck in certain situation. Okay, you guys are not being able to move ahead. You guys are not able to let go of something is what I'm getting over here. If you see at the bottom of this deck, I think I had seen I think I've missed the card. Or yeah, here it is, Eight of Swords. Definitely there is an energy of being stuck here somewhere. Okay, you guys really need to let go of whatever that is bothering you, guys. This moon is more than any secrets or anything. I feel that this is your own demons that you are fighting. I also feel that some of you guys are dealing with some very low phase emotionally. Okay, some of you guys might also be dealing with depression is what I'm seeing over here. Okay, acute depression is what I'm seeing over here. Okay, so guys, please do not ignore your mental health. It is the most important thing. Okay, do not shy away from taking help of people. Do not shy away from taking help of counselor, therapist. Is it definitely helps, guys. Okay, so do whatever it takes to restore your emotional energies, mental energies. World card in reverse definitely talks about being stuck. Okay, you guys are definitely stuck over something. See this 8 of swords as well. This is all talking about this stuck energy. Okay, you guys are feeling very much bound, you guys are feeling very much helpless. Okay, and to me this energy is coming through as these are on your own restrictions. These are your own mind games. Okay, if you just let go of this blindfold, if you just let go of yourself, the belief systems, let go of the past, you are going to emerge successfully out of this, guys. Chariot, yes, chariot is a Cancerian energy, strong Pisces and Cancerian energy I'm getting over here. Strong water energy basically. Okay, you could have water in your charts or dealing with a fellow water sign, Scorpio, Pisces, Cancer. Okay, chariot is all about forward movement, but in this case chariot to me is telling about balancing your positive and negatives. Okay, we all have a darker side to ourselves. Okay, in some form or the other, or in some measure or the other, it's about balancing the both. Okay, do not let your shadow side or a darker side overpower you. Okay, strike the balance between the emotional and practical aspect of life, spiritual and materialistic aspect of life. Okay, that balance is very much needed for you guys to break away from these shackles and move ahead in life. That's what I'm getting currently very strongly, guys. I would also want to clarify this Knight of Cups. Since this Knight of Cups is pointing over here and there is 4 of Wands as well, I strongly feel that some of you guys are going to have a new relationship in terms of a new beginning in terms of relationship. But since there is this page also, I feel that there could be a message coming in through for someone's career. Okay, Knight of Pentacles yet again, Page of Pentacles, Knight of Pentacles, strong earth energy over here, guys. The Wheel of Fortune has also shown up in reverse. You guys are really stuck over something. You really need to let go, because I feel once you let go of whatever is holding you back, there is a brand new opportunity waiting for you guys right away. Okay, right round the corner. So just let go of whatever is not serving you guys and welcome the new energies is what I'm getting. Knight of Pentacles is a very slow moving energy. Now I feel that you guys I feel that some of you guys are dating. Okay, are probably or are on dating app. Okay, interacting with someone virtually, someone who could be younger to you. Okay, but I feel since there is 7 of Cups also, I feel that you guys are interacting with multiple people. Okay, over here, multiple people at the same time is what I'm seeing over here. Yes, a different angle altogether. That's what I'm getting over here. High Priestess. Trust your intuition, guys. Trust your gut feeling. I feel that some of you guys are also interacting with someone who could be younger to you by age, or you could be younger than that person. But there looks like there is a substantial age gap between two people, and I strongly feel that there are 2 to 3 different energies involved over here. Yes, that's the kind of energy I'm getting. I also feel a strong communication coming your way, guys. Could be at personal or professional level. But definitely some sort of messages, some sort of communication that is coming in a headstrong way towards you guys. King of Cups. Oh man, yeah, definitely, guys. Again, six of swords in reverse. That talks about you not being able to move on from this current situation, guys. So many cards indicating that you are stuck. King of Cups is telling me of someone who is wearing his or her heart on sleeves. King of Swords and King of Cups, again 2 different energies. For some of you guys, you are juggling between emotional and practical aspects of life, not able to take decision, not able to take decision because there is a conflict between your emotional and rational aspect. That's one very clear thing that I'm getting over here. I also feel that some of you guys are going to have a new beginning in terms of relationship, and you might get a proposal from 2 to 3 different people. Okay, or you might have multiple choices if at all you are on the online space in terms of dating or a matrimony app or site. Guys, you might have 2 3 options is what I'm saying very clearly over here. Some of you guys might get an opportunity in career which will flow your or which will tap in your creative juices. Okay, that's the kind of energy I'm getting very strongly, guys. Yes, and this relationship or this proposal or alliance might get converted into marriage for some of you guys. Yeah, let's move on to your overall energy. Yes, the Empress card. Yes, definitely beginning of something new, inception of something new. Maybe some of you guys might start a new business altogether, or a line of business, or something new in your existing business. Okay, but some of you guys are extremely at their creative best. Okay, you could also be starting your own YouTube channel or doing something facing the people. Okay, something related to social media. Okay, I also feel that some of you guys, for some of you guys, someone is madly and deeply in love with you guys. They see you as this beautiful empress. Okay, and yeah, some of you guys are going to have new proposals in terms of relationship. I also see pregnancy for some of you guys. In that case, I would really like to give you my heartiest wishes and heartiest congratulations, guys. This celebration could be related to this as well. Definitely marriage for some of you guys is what I'm seeing. Aquarian, your energy, your own energy has shown up here, guys. Seeing a star after a moon is very interesting, guys. Definitely you guys will heal. Okay, I feel that some of you guys are healing emotionally and physically as well. Okay, you could be healing physically too, especially since it's the pandemic time. Many people are falling sick due to dropping temperatures as well. So you guys might be healing physically too, but to me, I feel that some of you guys are healing psychologically, overcoming depression, overcoming their own anxieties and fears is what I'm getting over here, and I'm so proud of you guys. Yes, 10 of Pentacles, like I said, lot of money coming your way, guys. Magician phase. Yeah, you guys are manifesting something consciously, subconsciously. Please be aware or please be mindful of your thought processes during this phase, guys. Wherever your focus goes, energy flows. Remember that. So make sure you're having positive self-dialogue, if nothing. Okay. Yeah, let's see what messages we have for you guys from this beautiful deck. I'm using this deck after a long time. Let's see what we have. Synchronicity. Your prayers and questions are being answered by synchronistic events. Notice them in order to increase their flow. Yeah, I had seen High Priestess as well, guys. So please pay attention to your intuition, pay attention to your dreams, pay attention to synchronicities and coincidence. Okay, they have something to tell you, guys. Okay, especially if you start seeing number 111, okay, continuously, then pay attention to your thoughts before and after that. Okay. Yeah, any other message from this deck? Any other message for my beautiful Aquarians from this deck? Full one. Healing heart. Wow, you are a powerful healer. Keep up the great work. I have no doubt some of you guys are healing. Okay, like I said, the healing could be at physical or at emotional or spiritual level, but definitely some healing going on over here is what I'm getting. Okay, let's see what message we have for you guys from this beautiful deck. Okay, something has flipped. A personal issue reaches resolution. Wow, full moon in Cancer. Lovely card. Some of you guys might have a closure to a long pending task. Okay, that's the kind of message I'm getting from this card. Any other message for my lovely Aquarians? Any other message for my lovely Aquarians? Okay. Confidence is your key to success. Wow, what a lovely message. Yes, definitely be confident, by guys. Have faith in your your capabilities, your abilities, be it mental, be it in terms of your career. Okay, make sure that you do not lose faith. Okay, have faith, trust yourself, trust your um, fellow beings, your loved ones. Okay, and everything is going to fall in place. So let's pull some of the charms for you guys to conclude this reading. Please spare me for the noise. Okay, I'm going to take this. Okay. Strong is beautiful. Yeah, of course, we spoke about it just now in a similar manner. Confidence is your key to success, and strong is beautiful. Choose strength, guys. No matter what, choose strength. Yeah. We are all mad here. This charm is asking you to take it easy, guys. Take a chill pill, have fun with yourself, have fun with life. Okay, do not take things too seriously. Now this charm talks about strength to me. I mean, I cannot think of any other word but strength again over here. It talks about believing in yourself, believing in the supreme, believing in the superpower. Okay, so and you are the creator of your own reality. You have magician card as well in your reading, guys. So make sure that you channel your thought processes in the right direction and end up manifesting the right thing for you guys. Okay, never give up, of course. Definitely this is making sense, seeing the overall energy. Someone dealing with depression here, for sure. Don't give up. Okay guys, do not give up. Just reach out for help to right people. Okay. Horse, again this talks about forward movement. There was chariot also. Okay, keep going ahead, guys. Have faith in yourself, have faith in life, have faith in good. Okay, whatever it is, know that it's temporary. Just keep on moving forward bit by bit, and I'm sure better days are lying ahead. Initial U. Okay, if this means anything to anyone, guys, initial U. If you are dealing with a person who has U in their initials or anything. And there's this dice. Now again this is talking me or telling me about seeing life as a game. Okay, do not take life too seriously, guys. Have fun with it. Okay, enjoy whatever it is, ups and downs. Just enjoy them as a part of your life, and you'll be able to sail through in a better way. Okay Aquarians, with this I leave you at that, and I hope you like this reading. If any of this is your story, any of this resonates with you, please do give the video a thumbs up. Drop comments, share your experiences. Last but not the least, if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. So I'll see you next month directly, guys. Till then, stay safe, stay blessed. Bye, take care.